A very good morning to one and all. Respected Vice Principal Sir, Mr. Vijay Shukla, judges of today's event, Mrs. Sarita Yadav Madam, Mr. Lokesh Meena Sir, Mrs. Yashoda Kucheria Madam, and our technical in charge, Mr. Mahesh B. And my dear students and parents, I, Sukhdeep Pant, on behalf of Atomic Energy Central School 2 Rawatbata, welcome you all to today's event, that is Online Science Exhibition 2021. Before beginning the event, I would like to give you few instructions. You have to keep your phone in landscape mode at a fixed place. Do not move it in between. Okay? Your explanation should be only 2 minutes. If it is more than that also, half a minute it is done. You will not be disqualified for that. Keep yourself muted until we announce your name. Please check your serial number in the WhatsApp list that we had shared. Okay. As we all know that science and mathematics subject help in developing our critical thinking and problem solving skills. Children learn things by doing. So now we are going to witness the innovative ideas and creativity by our children through online mode. So now I welcome you all, and on behalf of our school, I just wish you all the best for your presentation. Children, please be clear when you're presenting yourself. So now I'm going to call upon the participants. And first, I'm going to announce the name of first 5 participants. So be ready. Kumud Thakre, Prasad, Pradarsh Trivedi, Prateek Kumar, Sanavi Mehra, Shashwat Prakash, and Weber Fulwani. So our first participant for science exhibition is Kumud Thakre, class 3rd A. Topic is Save the Forest. Kumud Thakre, you can begin now.
Yes, ma'am.
Kumud Thakre, you can start now.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Kumud Thakre. I study class 3rd A. आज मैं आपको सेव द फॉरेस्ट के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ। हमें जंगल नहीं काटना चाहिए। अगर हम जंगल काटेंगे तो बारिश नहीं होगी। इससे हमें फल, सब्जियां, दवाएं मिलती है। जंगल में तरह तरह के जानवर और पक्षी रहते हैं। अगर हम जंगल काटेंगे तो सारे जानवर गांव में आ जाएंगे, फिर वो लोगों को नुकसान पहुंचाएंगे। पेड़ से हमें ऑक्सीजन मिलता है, जिसको हम सांस लेने में उपयोग करते हैं। इसलिए पेड़ नहीं काटना चाहिए, हमें पेड़ लगाना चाहिए और जंगल को नहीं काटना चाहिए। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Kumud. It was excellent. You presented it very well. Okay, thank you so much, Kumud. Now our next participant is participant number 2, Pradarsh Trivedi, class 3rd A, and the topic is neutralization reaction. Pradarsh Trivedi. Pradarsh Trivedi. I think he is not there. So we'll move on. Participant number 3 is Prateek Kumar Upadhyay, class 3rd A. Topic is solar system. Pratik, keep your phone in landscape mode.
लैंडस्केप मोड
Keep your phone in landscape mode and start.
पूछो मैम अभी सही है
मैम अभी सही है।
Yes, you can begin now.
मैम अभी सही है।
We want to see you also with your project. You should be seen. Keep it little far.
पूछो पूछो
थोड़ा
पूछो
दूर रखो.
मैम सही है।
Keep it in a landscape mode. उसको landscape mode में auto rotate बंद करके रखो so that we can see you also and your project also.
मैम क्लियर है अभी पूछो
मैम अब क्लियर है।
फोन को इस तरह से रखना है.
मैम रखा है बोलो रखा है
मैम रखा है।
ऑटो रोटेट बंद करो फिर उसका.
ऑटो
Keep your
रोटेट
phone horizontally this way. Now it is okay. You can start now. Now it is okay. You can start now.
रेस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स
Respected teachers and my dear friends, my name is Pratik Kumar Padhai. I study in class 3rd A और आज का मेरा टॉपिक है सोलर सिस्टम। ये हमारा सोलर सिस्टम है जहाँ सन की चारों तरफ 8 प्लेनेट घूमते हैं। मरक्यूरी, वीनस, अर्थ, मार्स, जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस और नेपच्यून। प्लूटो एक प्लेनेट हम नहीं है, उसको ड्वार्फ प्लेनेट कहते हैं। और ये सोलर सिस्टम मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी का एक पार्ट है। और हमारे सोलर सिस्टम में बिगेस्ट प्लैनेट जुपिटर है, स्मॉलेस्ट प्लैनेट मरक्यूरी है, नियरेस्ट प्लैनेट मरक्यूरी है, हॉटेस्ट प्लैनेट नेपच्यून है, कोल्डेस्ट प्लैनेट नेपच्यून है, हॉटेस्ट प्लैनेट वीनस है। अर्थ एक ऐसा प्लैनेट है वो सन से ना ज्यादा पास ना ज्यादा दूर, ना ज्यादा गर्मी ना ज्यादा सर्दी महसूस होती है और लाइफ पॉसिबल हो पाती है। और सैटर्न का जो रिंग दिखता है असल में दिखने में उसके चारों तरफ एस्टेरॉयड घूमते हैं, इसलिए उसका रिंग दिखता है। मार्स और जुपिटर के बीच में जो एस्टेरॉयड है उसको एस्टेरॉयड बेल्ट कहते हैं। अब इसी एस्टेरॉयड बेल्ट के इनर प्लैनेट है मरक्यूरी, वीनस, अर्थ और मार्स। ये रॉक से बने होते हैं और छोटे साइज के होते हैं। और इस एस्टेरॉयड बेल्ट के आउटर प्लैनेट है जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस और नेपच्यून। जुपिटर और सैटर्न गैस जाइंट हैं, यूरेनस और नेपच्यून आइस जाइंट हैं और ये बड़े साइज के होते हैं। और साइंटिस्टों का ये कहना है कि ये 4.6 बिलियन ईयर्स पहले बना था। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Excellent. Well done. I appreciate the efforts done by you and your parents. Okay. Thank you so much, Pratik Kumar Upadhyay. Okay. Thank you so much. Our next participant is participant number 4, Tanvi Mehra, class 3rd A. Topic is eco-friendly greenhouse. Sanvi Mehra, you can begin now. Please unmute yourself. Sanvi Mehra, we cannot hear you. Unmute yourself.
फिर से बोल
Respected my teachers, my name is Sanvi Mehra. I study in class 3rd A. My previous project is based on eco-friendly material. We use natural resources and try to maximum use in our life. I made an eco-friendly greenhouse model. We can use sunlight for production of electrical energy. We receive sunlight from the sun free of cost. We use solar panels for conversion of sunlight into electrical energy. The solar panels can be installed very easily. We install solar panel on the rooftop of our house, on open ground, on car parking, on agricultural land, on wasteland. The electrical energy can be stored by use of batteries. Electrical energy is used to operate our appliances like tube light, TV, fan, fridge, cooler, AC, microwave, etc. The solar energy is eco-friendly and is available for as long as sunshine in the sky. Rainwater harvesting is also a technology by which we can store rainwater for future use. We install water tank. Water tank is connected with pipes. We collect rainwater in this tank. Water from this tank can be used for different purposes like water for gardening, water for washing purpose, water for animals, etc. This rainwater is also cost free. So now we know that natural resources are cost free and the use of them is very environmental friendly. We should all promote each to use natural resources is best way protect the earth from pollution. Thank you, teachers.
Well done. Excellent explanation.
मैंने 80
And
के लगाए हैं प्रोजेक्ट के लिए.
such a good explanation.
Sanvi, your explanation is excellent, but I just want to ask simple question. The name of your project is eco-friendly. So what is the meaning of eco-friendly? Eco-friendly से हम क्या समझे? Eco-friendly का मतलब क्या है?
दोस्ती.
Okay, friendly means दोस्ती. So eco-friendly मतलब जिसकी दोस्ती हमारे environment से हो, जो हमारे environment को नुकसान ना पहुंचाए. Okay, thank you, Sanvi.
Thank you, teachers.
Thank you so much, Sanvi.
ये पौधे मैंने 80 के लगाए हैं प्रोजेक्ट के लिए.
Okay, thank you so much, Sanvi. It is very nice to see children explaining in such a good way. Thank you, Sanvi.
Thank you.
Okay, our next participant is participant number 5, Shashwat Prakash, class 3rd A. Topic is water cycle. Shashwat Prakash, you can begin now.
A very good morning to all the respected judges, teachers, and my
Shashwat, you are not seen. Prakash. Okay.
A very good morning to all the respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Shashwat Prakash. I study in class 3rd A. Today I am going to present a model of a water cycle. As we know that water is the basic need of the living beings, so the water cycle has to maintain the level of the water on our planet. Water cycle is a continuous process and it mainly 3 steps. The first step is evaporation. In this process, water turns into water vapor from the water bodies like seas, oceans, rivers, by the heat of the sun. Later, the water vapor moves up to the atmosphere. The second step is condensation. In this process, water droplets come together to clouds and fog in the sky. And the last step is precipitation. In this process, when cloud cannot hold any more water, it precipitates as rain. Hence, these processes continue again and again and forms a cycle that is known as the water cycle. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shashwat Prakash. Okay, nice explanation. The next participant is participant number 6. In between, one of the child unmuted himself. कोई भी unmute नहीं करेगा. Please, you will be disqualified if you're going to unmute yourself without your number. Next participant is participant number 6, Weber Fulwani, class 3rd A. Topic is water pollution. Weber Fulwani.
Good morning, teachers. My name is Webu Fulani. I read class third. I water pollution.
Please focus your camera, Weber. We cannot see you, and half of the project is not seen. Okay. Now you're keep it a little far so that I can see, or you also and your project also. Keep it a little away from you. Phone को थोड़ा दूर रखो.
Water is
Still we cannot see you. Please, parents, please help him in adjusting the camera. Keep it afar. थोड़ा दूर रखें कैमरे को. फोन लेके थोड़ा पीछे चले जाएं तो दोनों चीजें हमें दिखाई देंगी. थोड़ा सा और पीछे. I think we can begin now. Start, Weber Fulwani. You can start now.
water is the boom. Water is the life. Without any water, nothing in the life. Hello, friends. My name is Webu Fulani. I read class third. I project water pollution. Pollution of water bodies such as lake,
What is not seen?
river, sea, and extra wastewater from house, factories, and other buildings get into water. Get dirty water, brownish and blackness in
Say
color.
loud. थोड़ा जोर से बोलो.
This dirty water needs that many diseases in animals and plants. Animals drinking water from and human feeds. When people such rivers the poison life chemicals are very affect them. Life river also affect a human who consume fish may are also health problems. Save water, save water, save water, save. Thank you.
Very good. Good. Okay. Before moving on to the next participant, I would like to tell everyone is that please keep yourself muted. Parents should not come on the screen and do not move your cameras. It disturbs here. Okay, parents should not come on the screen. Mute yourself.
मैडम दिव्या मीना का ले लीजिए ना प्लीज, वो ड्यूटी जाना थी मेरे को. हेलो.
Next participant is participant number 7, Divya Meena, class 3rd B, solar power irrigation system. Divya Meena.
मैडम प्रोजेक्ट ये है.
Please parents do not speak in between.
नहीं दिखाई दे रहा मैडम.
Keep your camera in a landscape mode. Others keep yourself muted. Divya Meena कहाँ है?
दिव्या
Where
मीना
is the
का
child?
दिव्या मीना सेपरेटली आपसे कनेक्ट होगी मैडम। ये उसका प्रोजेक्ट देख लीजिए मैडम। वो भी गांव में है मैडम, दिव्या मीना यहाँ नहीं है रावतबाड़ा
Okay,
में।
we understand. We want to connect with her. इधर है।
प्रोजेक्ट दिखाई दे रहा है मैडम?
दिखाई दे रहा है, आप सिर्फ प्रोजेक्ट शो कीजिए और दिव्या मीना अगर कहीं दूसरे नंबर से ज्वाइन हुई है तो उसका नाम बता दीजिए, किस नंबर से ज्वाइन हुई है।
उसका 9601 वाले से है मैडम। अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ज्वाइन हुई थी लेकिन उस कनेक्टिविटी की दिक्कत आ रही है उसमें।
Okay then. Okay, we have seen your project. Thank you so much. Our next
Okay.
participant is, thank you so much. You can mute yourself now. Our next participant is participant number 8, Harshit Rator, class 3rd B. Topic is Heron's Fountain. Participant number 8, Harshit Rator. Harshit Rator, Sarita Rator नाम से। Divya Meena, your turn is over. Now you can, if you want to leave, you can leave. Harshit Rator. हाँ ना, अभी सरिता राठौर नाम से। Okay. So Harshit, I think he's not there. So we'll move on to the next participant. Participant number 9, Mohini Chaudhary, class 3rd B. Topic is Mother Earth. Mohini Chaudhary, class 3rd B, Mother Earth. Okay, I think Mohini is also not there. So we'll move on to the 10th participant. Participant number 10, Swati Meena, class 3rd B, Save Water. After Swati Meena, if Pradarsh Trivedi, Harshit Rathore or Mohini Chaudhary is there, be prepared and be ready. Okay, participant number 10, Swati Meena, class 3rd B, Save Water. Swati Meena. वो भी नहीं। Adjust your phone properly. Unmute yourself, Swati Meena, unmute yourself. We cannot hear you. And focus your camera properly. Do not move it.
ये एक मल्टी स्टोरी बिल्डिंग है, इसके अंदर रेन का पानी जाता है और इधर टैंक में से नीचे आ जाता है और इस टैंक में से नीचे आ जाता है और फिर एक ये सोलर प्लेट है, इस सनलाइट
कैमरा को एक ही जगह पर फिक्स करके रखिए दूर, तो ताकि हम अच्छे से प्रेजेंटेशन देखें।
ये सनलाइट को लेता है और फिर बिजली बनाता है और फिर इसके अंदर जाकर ये पंप को चलाता है और फिर ये पानी टैंक में जाकर इन पौधों में दे देता है। थैंक यू।
Swati Meena, thank you. Plus, please parents, adjust your phone so that we can see the presentation models child properly. Otherwise, your hard work is being wasted. Hard work पूरा waste हो जाएगा. We have given you enough time to adjust your cameras. Please, when we are instructing something, follow it. Okay? Thank you so much. Third standard ka all the participants are over. Only 3 participants who are not there. Again, I am going to announce their names. If they are there, please join. Pradarsh Trivedi, participant 2, number 2 of class 3rd A, neutralization reaction. Pradarsh Trivedi, if he is there. I think Pradarsh is absent. He is not there. Next one is Harshit Rathore, if he is there. Harshit Rathore, or Mohini Chaudhary? We'll wait for a minute. The three children, that is Pradarsh Trivedi is absent, Harshit Rathore is also absent, and Mohini Chaudhary is also absent. So now this was the end of our first part of the science exhibition, that is class 3rd. So that's all for today. Thank you, children. Class 3 children, it is over. Thank you.